Hello. Colors and your easy rights.
And unlike unto my God, I will hide its word in my heart that I may not sin against God.
Our most gracious Father in heaven, before us, wonderful God, you have given us, for everything you have given us. Please bless us and protect us from the
Sino ang excited ngayong hapon? Ayan, excited. Oh, pati yung mga lolo din sa likod, excited. Ayan. So lahat ay excited, lalo na kami. Kami ay excited talaga dahil parents. At relax lang po kayo at tayo po ay magpapatuloy sa ating programa. Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat.
Salamat po, si Teacher Gladys. Now, may I call on all the Vacation Bible School graduating class to please stand. Lahat po, kayo po ang ating mga graduates, ang ating mga summa cum laude. Okay. So, they will render us their
even though we did not know where he was going. Day 3. Like Joseph, we are called to forgive. Forgive if we forgive.
To serve. Each of you should use whatever gift you have received to serve others. 1 Peter chapter 4 verse 10. Day 5. Like Jesus, we are called to give. Walk in the way of love, just as Christ loved us and gave himself up for us. Ephesians chapter 5 verse 2.
first time namin, kahit Tuesday na po kami nag-start, so nag-abot po kami ng pangalawang araw. Nung in-enroll ko po siya, nagpanista po kami kay Ate Lance.
To follow Jesus, I have decided to follow Jesus. No turning back, no turning back. Father, I still will follow. Glory, Father, I still will follow. Glory, Father, I still will follow. No turning back, no turning back.
RS, Kuya RS. Kung dun sa mga hindi pa kilala ako, si Kuya RS. So, ang aking experience dito sa VBS is happy din kasi ilang years na ako nakasali dati dito sa church na ito mag-VBS. At meron yung mga assistant leaders na kala ko hindi ako maging assistant leader din. Pero here I am, naging assistant na din. And
And I want to thank Salapan Church for this opportunity to become an assistant leader. So, this is actually my first time. So, first time ko mag-lead sa inyo, mag-assist. Kasi no first time ko na VBX is maliit pa ako na bata katulad ninyo. So, ngayon, pinatag ako to like mag-story, pakanta sa inyo. So, masaya din po dahil masaya experience dahil tumutulong sa mga bata. Kahit mga kayo, mas makulit po kami kumain. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
When you choose to be a Christian, you think we're odd. Just like it has a song for you, it sounds too bad. When you choose to be a Christian, you think we're odd. Just like it has a song for you, it sounds too bad. Choose to be a Christian, you think we're strange. Say how you're at the choices day. When you choose to be a Christian, you think we're strange. Say how you're at
Hello. Ayan, magandang hapon mga bata. Bago mag-speak. Hello. Bago ko mag-speak, mayroon muna tayong gagawin. Okay? Dapat, ang disipulo ni Jesus, dapat nagpa-follow, di ba? So dapat, ipa-follow nyo lang yung aking gagawin at kung ano yung aking sasabihin. Pag sinabi ko, let's take a walk, yung sabihin nyo, sabihin nyo rin, let's take a walk. Pag mabilis ako, dapat mabilis din kayo. Pag mababa, okay? Alright, sige. Ready na? Okay. Sige, let's take a walk. A long, long walk. Let's take a walk. A long, long walk. Look. A long, long way. A long, long walk. Look. There is a river. A deep, deep river. Let's take a walk. A long, long walk. Look. There is a big light. A big, big crocodile. Run! Swim into the river. Go over the bridge. Climb up to the tree. We are safe.
Calvin Zyron Lucas Cortez, most participative and perfect attendant.
Sa sila pinadala sa ulang ito, pamakuto, ng ito, masalita, malaki, at higit sa lahat, pagkakas sa kanilang pananampalataya. Salamat din sa mga teachers na nag-before kung bakit ang
Kanina pa sila. Okay? Sponsor ng mga ating.
Ha?